Hello traders. Today is the 5th of November, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the results. Today we had amazing volatility again, and let me share with you one of my member shared his account. As you can see, he made it today 10,500 profit, as you can see here in dollars. And this is the live account, by the way, you can see here, and he traded very well because today we had an interesting volatility and he followed most of the successful analysis and banked beautiful profit. So let's back to the analysis and I'll show you which analysis he mainly followed and banked this profit. And if just to recap again, traders, these are the uh, intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support alongside with the 4 hour analysis. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the result and the trade taken based on that analysis. In the morning, you can see the price develop this pattern. As soon as the price broke on the previous highs, we take a long trade based on the momentum. As you can see, price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar. And pound yen, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, look for pullback if the price is going to respect this fib channel and the orange EMA. Beautiful long trade on pound yen. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the beautiful breakout short trade. Euro USD, this was the pattern breakout. We had such a nice, beautiful trade on Euro USD. After that, we had another few more pullbacks, long, beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Euro yen, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout based on the momentum. If you look at most of the trades we have taken breakout based on the momentum, beautiful short trade. Pound dollar sideways market pattern breakout, beautiful consolidation breakout, and another one is pullback long trade. Price nicely hit to the first target. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout short trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We had breakout. After the breakout, as you can see, beautiful as mentioned here, beautiful pullback short trade. We announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary as soon as the price basically develop opportunity according to the analysis. And afterwards, any opportunities develop, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. Euro Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. We have seen some strength on euro today and beautiful breakout, nicely hit profit target. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout, long trade. And pound dollar, as you can see, this was a pretty straightforward consolidation, breakout, long trade. And Aussie dollar, this one again, pattern breakout, consolidation, breakout, long trade. Dollar CAD, we had such a beautiful breakout short trade previously. After that, as you can see, we announced that the bearish flag pattern is developed. If you look at the bottom, based on the momentum, beautiful breakout short trade on dollar CAD. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the channel breakout. We were expecting a pullback, but as you can see, the price refused to break this orange EMA and beautiful breakout. And afterwards, as always mentioned, based on the momentum, we announced another pullback short trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful two more pullback short trade on euro yen. Okay, euro USD. As you can see, this was the analysis, and that's what one of the traders banked such a beautiful profit on this trade. And when we were looking at counter short trade, and that's one of the trader asked me, shall we take buy or sell? I said, look, first of all, we were watching in 4 hour, and let me show you a bit further in 4 hour chart. As you can see, the price was at that time this level, and we announced we have another major resistance level ahead almost, and we announced another one. If you look at here, we said, look guys, look for counter short trade here because we had such a beautiful pullbacks. That's the level we should be looking at counter short trade, and at that time price was at this level. And then we explain in more details, draw this pattern. I said if this price develop this wedge here, breakout long, otherwise if the price gonna break this previous low, which is this was, yeah, If the price gonna break, we should be taking a short trade, and we should be taking a pullback short trade, counter short trade. If the price develop momentum bearish, then we taking another further short trades. So one of my traders basically bank us such a beautiful profit. As you can see, this is again live account, and you can see most of them is Euro USD trades. You can see here beautiful pips, beautiful profit. As you can see, made a $10,500 on live account. Just he made a lot of profit through this analysis, as you can see, based on that analysis. So that was a beautiful counter break short trade on Euro USD. Dollar Swiss franc pretty straightforward. You can see price already broken. We're expecting another pullback. As you can see, based on the momentum, beautiful another pullback short trade on dollar Swiss franc. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training through this platform. Or even if you are struggling in Forex, join our platform and see all that trade analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support. And even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank this type of profit every single day alongside with our professional trader, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community once again. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.